Na n'umubaro muke w'abasaye gwesokia kwirikia na gwaka chikura bananigo basemya bwarurugokia ase abasaye abesokire asobonge berike bunabaki chikura anake nigo batebire buna ekigekogera batari gwesokia gwaka chikura natibabwati okwegena okia ase abarai bali baba bagochorwa asogotaba abegenwa nonyanekero basoire abisi abasaye abo boigo nigo basemigwe kurigia chinjira chinde chingia choko enyorera ebitoke kiagera emirimo yo kurikona serikali nigo yabeire botuboke muri gito Wycliffe Orenge norobotyoru
abasaye nigo barorekanire gotesokia sobonge ere kwerikia na gwaka chikura ananegema ase chinga kichiga cy'abachora bakabwakorekana nabo igo gesekembe kya IBC keigura emerobelio yoko balikia ba kichikura abaya.
We have realized that a number of our people do not have national identification cards, which is a very essential document. So we are beginning with that, and then we are hoping that once that is done, we are going to ensure that our people are registered in numbers so that they have the power to elect who their leaders will be in the next general election. But even before we mention about election, ID is very important. It's a very crucial document. There are things you cannot do when you do not have a national ID. There are transactions that one cannot make when you do not have a national identification card. So that is why we saw it is important for us to just come and talk to our people. We sensitize them and they know why they should be having national identification card.
Bako kuwa na Nensoko TV abasayabo nigo bate babuna nige serikali yense ya Kenya etararo basemi obuya gochia asaba na ingoro yobuya bogwaka chikura.
Ekente serikali namboni takere gokora civic education. Ense itonere maega asoko osawa oko evijana mafunzo. Evijana pia tigaire maega nande ni ntu to takere ko baminekero regiense.
Changamoto ni unapata ukosefu wa mtu kuambiwa ya kuwa kitambulisho inastahili kuchukuliwa. Na tuichukui kitambulisho juu ya kura, tunachukua kitambulisho ili kesho vijana wetu, mama wetu wapate kupata usaidizi.
Ande nigo bate babuna tibabwati okwegena gochia asabarai bali bagochorwa gochia chiabisi abwasa bagota babuna tibali ko babegenwa asobokoreri.
Enjo etumaini no patriotism eliyo yani yo kwerwa ase enjo yokorosia magendense ya ino egende ikiaborire abaibori bamenyete hai hoye bachandikire miaka emenge bagire chikure miaka emenge bali gokonyeka etogojoro omonto tomojoro muya ogoikaga ari ase kwende parliament area ochenjia osoba gosasima chibesa osoba gosasima ndabanyabesa bono gakimutaye gochenjia trend egusi erinde tochore biongozi abaya barakonyense bararete tumaini ase bichana byaito erinde bake kureyi.
Abaseme bono nigo bwaruru gochia asabasayabo belikie buna bakichikura ekiagere kura nere nchira yoko bachora barayabaya gochia ase chiabisi ao.
Thank as a people of Kabondo Kasipu, we are very happy because we have a big number of people have just come. You can have a look at the other side of the market. People are there, including the Form 4 that have just done the exams. They are here to take their ID. And that is the urge that we need as a nation.
To spearhead this mobilization process to ensure that our people get registered as voters.
Boigo nigo basemigwe tibabasa gwancha gotumekuwa n'abana siasa erikokora chisegi no bosalia.
Asaba saeba minto bali bagotumeku n'abana siasa asa manufaa yoko sali omorembe egento ndanje ko batebi tigato esoke to tujiandikishe kama wapiga kura wapya erine ndonyore mechando abamura abange bali bakwa kuchibese erinde basari emekutano abange babe bakuruchi family chitabwati besa abaibori bachandekete bakorera bagokugo se bakomia
nigo yatere ase abasaye bonse okorogo chora kwa bene na kwelikia buna bakichikura inkolipoteria Nensoko TV korwagaiga asobo gatagati bo muchobosongo e county ya Kisii eretariane Wycliffe Orenge.